Hello, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, a big welcome to you, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. You're truly awesome. Today we're making this extra soft, stretchy, and of course delicious Nigerian puff puff. So now let's get on with it. The first step is to add all our dry ingredients together and mix them until they are well incorporated. I like to add nutmeg to my puff puff because I feel it gives it that authentic taste. But if you don't have nutmeg, you can go ahead and use cinnamon. But if you don't have any of the two, you can also leave it out, no wahala. Now we'll go ahead and add our water. This is what determines how soft or how hard your puff puff will turn out to be. So we're going to add it gradually until we get the consistency that we need, which is not too watery and not too thick. So when that is achieved, I like to finish off with a few drops of vanilla flavor just to give it an extra kick of flavor, but it is optional. So now we'll cover our batter and we'll leave it to rise in a warm place for an hour or until it doubles in size, just like so. So now that our batter is ready, all you have to do is to dip or wet your clean hands in a little water. Then you scoop out some batter into your palm and pass it through the cuff of your hand in between your thumb and your index finger, just like so. You can also use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to do this, so feel free to use any one that appeals to you. Now we go ahead and heat up the oil. I like to do a heat test by dropping a little of the butter into the oil. This way I'm assured that the oil is ready before I start frying my puff puffs. So now you drop the puff puff batter gently into the hot oil and fry until it's slightly brown. Also make sure that the oil is not so hot so that it will cook both on the outside and on the inside too. While you're frying, you will notice that some puff-puffs are just so stubborn. No matter what you do to flip them over, they will just not flip. I've tried everything possible, even pressing it down with a skewer, but it will still pop up after some seconds. But whichever way, it still cooks equally. So don't be bothered when you find yourself in that situation. Just keep stirring until all sides are brown. And now our puff-puff is ready. Soft, fluffy, stretchy, and extremely addictive. Please try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by liking it below, and also subscribe and hit on that notification bell. Share with your friends also. See you in the next video. Bye bye.